General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.4.1 Disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Thursday. This week, I ain't even gonna lie to you, it's ugly. But I was saying yesterday, ICT take a break and price do the same thing. Look right here. So this is the low of the week. It's on Monday. This so far here is the high of the week. And tomorrow's Friday. Where's our liquidity? Here. Flat top, buy side liquidity. So anchor not confirmed. We're not finna form fit it. Just weekly buys template. Soft buys. Intraday liquidity. This is what they call a scalper's paradise. But fuck that. Notes, shifts in framework, hit rate. Low volume. We shifted yesterday. Too nimble. Worked out today. Look at Tuesday. Oh, really? Look at Wednesday. Full mistake. Not noting. Bam. Good chop or lack of clear institutional order flow. And Thursday will be high quality because we're not looking for big moves. We're looking for 20. And if it go a little more, take it and run. Take it and run. Now, let me put RE because let me get away with Lil. Shout out to Lil Wayne. You probably put it in the dictionary. Trap or the flow from the higher time frame. Expansion mitigation signals. None. Price is holding. Better with right context. Not so good. These environments. Reduce risk. No. ICT is off. He took the algorithm. Nah, he caught Beautiful by yesterday with like 20 bands. He got that experience. We gotta just stick with it. Sticking with it. Experience. Switch to the demo. Get some reps in. Case study vault reference 9. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep this workflow for the journaling. I think I got the trades that I need to do more because it can break down. You can just replay all your trades, and it's cool. You can just go back and press play. I don't think the other ones do that, but they got back tests and everything. This is manipulation day and unclear, so let's go unclear. This wasn't that unclear. Manipulation. Engage. High condition. None. We don't have no acre. We don't know now. Wednesday passed already. Is suspension playing out? No. And terminus is not hit today. You know the only good thing about manipulation and what I'm finally understanding is the consolidation traders. Like all the time, I used to just say I'm not a consolidation trader and say I trade expansion. But that's kind of like putting yourself in a box because you can trade the consolidation too, because it's really just seeing where we at and seeing that price is just in this accumulation. Run it, sell it. You just target EQ all day. See, it's just bouncing. But it took me a while just to figure that out. Even if you see it in core content and you know that that is available, being able to stop and realize it's going on and this is how I need to trade it, that's a gem, the gem of the day. New York reversal, daily profile. You see, came and took this. We knew it was going to chop just because both sides of Asia was taking. So all the textbook ICT rules, core content stuff. New York Reversal Daily Profile. Ugly Dealing Range. Tomorrow's Friday. It's crazy because we got this. It looks like we don't want this. But I don't have no bias. Yeah, I'm not finna. Hold on, let me hit it with the ICT. If I had to pick one and I had to say, all right, this is the bias for tomorrow, I would say here. Weekly buy side liquidity. Mm, if I had to pick one and be weekly buy side liquidity, I'm saying nimble because this is 50-50 trapped order flow conditions. Look at this, sales above here. We can sell now though. This is what I wanted. So unlock this. Why does it look ugly? Just looks big or something. No. I don't like the way it looks. Alright, cool. We use this order block. When is this? Monday, Tuesday. See right here? It's like, alright, ICT mode. If I had to pick one, I would say here just because boom, boom, boom. But then it's like, alright, go right here. Daily. This is stronger to me. And since it is stronger, it's telling me you need to clean this up. Like here. Or where's my ruler? Boom. Okay, that works. Just the range of this. I'll watch this, which is new week open gap. put this below. I like this as a first target. Previous day's low was cool, but I feel like the day before that's even better. Wednesday. Wednesday low looks interesting as a secondary target. If failed expansion logic plays out. Mm, Save this. Boom, boom. Here go our silver sale in Asia. Everything for silver happens in Asia. I really need to dig into the ICT Asia model. Sales happen in Asia, but it's not the news driven sale. Not interested. And the sale is lackluster. I think it's just setting up for the rate cut on the 10th. Powell probably really push it too. So we came here. We still don't come to TP1, which is tacky. Sales above here worked. So good job on the price reading. Let's close here. We can sell above here. Target there. I need to trade NASDAQ like I trade silver. Like NASDAQ, you get into the macros, the micros, the cycles. So just be like, man, wait for it to get here. Take two expansion. Ideas for the sale. Time lately. Nah. Dang, see, we didn't take that high. I don't like it still. First thought is 50%. Kind of respecting that quadrant. I don't even think too much of the like a super big expansion or something like that. We did take this week. We wigged this week. I'm looking at this for retracement ideas. I would sell this. Hold on, let's do down there. I think I remember that looked red. Hold up. us finesse call it the enhanced order block. I like that. Grade 2. Looking for sales. LP or bearish. It's really just the order block pick, but I'm gonna let them do that. People name stuff, you just gotta give it to them. That has to hold though for it to work. Save and close. Retracement day on here. It's interesting. We leaving liquidity to come back and tap. Monday still. Let me see this cheap. Ugh, that's even ugly. But it does have that smoother, low resistance liquidity run. And we're on that 200. What about here? It's probably still under. Oh, we're above. That's interesting. Okay. Money throwing still. I'm starting to retrace. Still looking for buy zones. Final TP here. That's it for the week. How did we get there, Tacky? We didn't take the low. We got there. Unlock that and unlock this. Shout out to him, my targets. Check this. Get on the week. Swing trades might be better during this low volume environment. I get what ICT is saying now though. He's like, look at the markets that are moving. And you see how he's kind of flip-flopping and swinging these, scalping those, being extra patient. Like, to wait on that new day opening gap in PM session, you either had to just be super patient during AM or not completely miss AM and show up PM like, hey, what happened? Then just see me catch it. But I like to look at AM. This is good enough to sell. We wait that. Week low is cool. Yeah, but I like the AM. If the AM don't look good, then I'll just focus on what I got to focus on for the day. Mm, easy bread and butter only. Boom. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.